Hi there everybody, it's UK independent demonstrator Halsey here from slimandstylish.com. Thank you for joining me today. Today I'm using the Dressed to Impress photopolymer stamp set that's from the new Stampin' Up mini catalogue. I quite like this set. When I first saw it, I saw the shoe and thought, I mean I like shoes, but it's grown on me. I'm loving it now, and I love the little flowers, and that's what I've used today to create this Hello Fabulous card. So I'm going to show you how to do it. First of all, you need your base Whisper White. So this is 9.5 centimetres by 13.8 centimetres. Your Memento ink. And I'm just using the one flower. I'm using this one here. It's a double one. So I'm just going to ink this up and I'm just going to keep stamping. This is great fun. Just stamp, stamp, stamp. And it doesn't matter that it overlaps. Keep building this up, but what I'm going to keep doing is I'm going to keep rotating it because I don't always want it in the same direction. And build it into a triangle really, so it kind of covers the corner. No art to it, just keep playing until you're happy. Again, keep turning it so they all fall in different shapes. This is so simple. This is such a simple stamp set and so effective. Okay, so I'm quite happy with that. I'm just going to pop the lid on that. Now in this stamp set there's a tiny little stamp just here which is like a blur. I'm going to be using that. And I'm going to come in with crushed curry and Highland heather. So I'm going to start with the crushed curry. And the crushed curry is going to be the little bulb. Oh, that was stiff. The crushed curry is going to be the little bulb, the closed bulb, and the Highland heather is going to be the open one. And that is all I'm doing. It doesn't sit directly in it. I don't care. I'm not turning it round as I'm stamping it either, so I don't mind if it's not the right shape and if it falls out. That's the effect I'm going for. I'm just going through as quick as I can to get the colour onto the card. Like that. I think that's all. Oh no, there's a little one there. Just make sure you've got them all. I'm going to wipe this off on my grid paper because I forgot to bring the chamois to my desk. Daft. So there's the Highland heather. And I'm going to do exactly the same as what I've just done with the crushed curry. So just drop that onto there. This one is, whereas the crushed curry one was slightly bigger than the bulb, this one is slightly smaller than the flower, so it just gives you that white edge around it. That's fine, don't worry. Just keep going. And that is that for the stamping. How good's that? I love that effect. I think it's so cute. I've grabbed the light Granny Apple Green blend and I'm just straight over where all the leaves are. I'm not being tidy. So like me, when I use my blends, I normally like them correct. I'm out the lines and I don't care. Being a rebel today. So that's that. I've also got a scrap piece of Whisper White. Well, I haven't. I used up all my scrap piece, so now I'm on to another backing sheet, but I'm using that as scrap. Hello Fabulous. Inked up. And the punch is this one. This is also from the new catalogue. I'm actually going to re-stamp that because I've just noticed as I stamped it that a little bit, I think it might, yeah, it has. It's got a slight bit of fluff on that, so I'm just going to move that off and re-go. Wasn't happy with that. perfect. You can tell the difference. I find our stamps are so good that when it doesn't stamp right now, I'm not happy. I've got a bit of a perfectionist going on. So there's another punch which I forgot to grab. That's two things today I've forgotten. It's this one. It's on the same page as the other punch in the new catalogue, but it's got this groovy little line here. So what you do is you pop the edge of your tag in. Not that far, but far enough. Oh. And I'm just going to... Helps if you haven't got shaky hands. I have shaky hands. But there we go. And my ribbon is the lovely mini striped ribbon, and I'm just going to run it through there. Run it through there. And make it so it's just a little bit longer than the front of the card and chop it. And then I'm going to go about positioning where I want this on my card and stick a dimensional underneath it to keep it in place towards the bottom. So I'm not playing with the ribbon yet. I'm just working out where I want this. I want it about there. Glue dot on each side. And two. Fold the ribbon over. And there's your Frenchy card. How easy was that to attach ribbon? That is so much better than bowing and playing and bowing again. So I'm just going to stick this now to the back of my Highland Heather cardstock. This is 10 centimetres by 14.3 centimetres. And then I've got my card base, which is a thick Whisper White card base. It's A4 piece of paper cut in half and scored in half. I'm just going to fold that and burnish it. Just been slightly off when I scored that one. Bone fold it. There we go. I'm just going to stick that down with some Tombow, which is now in stock, everybody. Yay! We went for a bit of time without Tombow, a bit worrying, but it's back. And there we go. Hello Fabulous card. If you did like this, it is so simple to do the flowers. Do try it and have a play around with it. If you want to have a go, if you want to purchase it, head over to slimandstylish.com. Go up to my header where it says buy, click on buy, and it will take you to my store. The stamp set is called Dressed to Impress. Don't forget to use my hostess code and I will send you a little thank you gift. And if you do spend over £45 during Sale-a-bration, you can get a free goodie as well from Stampin' Up. If you've liked this video, do subscribe and I'll see you again soon. Bye.